Hey friends, it's Sean McNamara from mindpossible.com, and one of my telekinesis channel subscribers asked me a question about how can we bring in more energy into ourselves to help us do telekinesis or psychokinesis, and I thought this was an interesting question and really important to respond to in this manner. So before you continue watching this, I want to tell you that what I have to say about this topic really concerns only the instructions that I use that I've given people through my books, Meditation X or Defy Your Limits, that was my first book, or if you use my online video course for learning telekinesis step by step. So this only pertains to those instructions and my personal experience over the last few years learning and doing telekinesis. So the main point I want to get across is that when you're doing telekinesis, the most important thing is that your body and your mind are working together and that they're in a state of relaxation and relaxed attentiveness. So it's not about pushing, it's not about straining, it's not even about the sense of pushing out energy at all. It's not about any of that. It's more about keeping your attention on the object in a particular way, using your intention in a particular way, doing a special breathing technique. And this all relates to how our body and our mind need to be in a good state of health and balance in order to work together for ordinary life and also for things like telekinesis or meditation. This means we need to eliminate obstacles to that sense of balance and bring in things that support that balance. So let's talk about eliminating the things that disrupt that balance. So that means looking at things that might disrupt your attention or your ability to stay relaxed. So I'd say don't use stimulants like sugar. Sugar is not great for the mind or the body, so avoid it as much as you can. Avoid things like excess caffeine. Don't smoke. If you take nicotine, or if you limit your lungs' abilities to absorb oxygen, which we need for the energy in our body, that's not going to help. And I know some of you can do telekinesis and you're smokers, and that's fine. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking about the next generation of people, especially children who want to get involved in this. Being healthy is really important because the healthier your body is, the more that'll support your mind and your mind's ability to be relaxed and at peace. Usually our mind gets really tense, partly when our body is in pain or it's uncomfortable or it's unhealthy. So eating healthy food, not smoking, not drinking alcohol, getting plenty of exercise, getting plenty of sunshine because you need that vitamin D to help process all the other nutrients in your body. Also, one thing I like to do is there's a place in Denver, the city where I live, where there's a botanic gardens, and so lots of plant life. And I'll just go there and sit on a bench and just close my eyes and breathe deeply so I get that energy from the plants. So you might go for a walk in the park, or go to the mountains, or go to the ocean and swim in the ocean if you can. But being in nature is a wonderful way of receiving that natural energy into your body in case your own body's energy is depleted. And all you have to do is be present and breathe in a deep way. You don't have to do anything more than that. In fact, if you go to a place like that and you start using your iPhone and watching a movie or reading a book or something like that, your mind is going to keep turning and it's going to be burning that energy that you're taking in. So what you want to do is don't watch your phone, don't watch your computer, don't do anything. But when you go to these natural places, just sit down, breathe deeply, relax the mind, let the mind be at peace, and then your body will naturally take in the energy it needs. And beyond that, I don't know if there's any benefit to eating special foods or taking pills or special potions or anything like that. I don't know if any of that helps. I've never used any products like that. If you're an American, I know the American culture seems to believe that all our solutions will come in the form of a pill or something we put in our mouth. And in terms of telekinesis or psychic ability, I don't know if that's really a solution. I think it's more about supporting our body's natural health, and that'll support our mental health and our ability to stay relaxed, our ability to stay present for long periods of time. And that's really it. It's very simple. So stay away from things that you know are bad for your body, have a healthy lifestyle, and practice meditation if you can, or do other things that really help your mind and body come together. So Qigong, Tai Chi, some types of sports are good for that. So things like that. And then your energy will be exactly where it needs to be successful at telekinesis. And beyond that, it's just about having good instructions on how to use your body and your mind to move objects with your mind. So I hope this was helpful, and all right, take care. Bye-bye.